Now I call on the stage, please, Chairperson of the Economics Department, Dr. Bushra Pervez, to come on the stage and award the degrees of the department, students of the Departments of Economics. The students of Master of Philosophy in Economics, please come forward and receive your degrees. I would request Dr. Basit to please come on the stage and join the rest of the staff to award the degrees. Miss Fatma Salamat, Miss Fatma Salamat, Alia Salamat, Sehrish Mobeen, Sumaya Mauladad, and Abdul Rauf. Thank you, Dr. Basi, Dr. Bushra, and Dr. Nawaz. I request Dr. Abdul Basit once again to come on the stage, and Dr. Sumaira, the Chairperson of Department of Education, to award the degrees of the students of Department of Education. Now I request the graduates of Master of Philosophy in Education to come forward to receive your degrees. Sonia Khalil, Muhammad Haroon, Ghulam Murtaza, Muhammad Ashfaq, Sajida Bibi, Afshin Nazir, Ifsahan Noeed, Ayman Noor, Bushra Noreen, Saba Yasin, and Hafiza Hafza. Thank you, Dr. Sumaira and Dr. Basit. Now I would like to call Dr. Praveen, Chairperson, Department English, and respectable Professor Sultan Niazi to come on the stage and give away the degrees to the students of the Department of English. The graduates of Master of Philosophy in English Literature to please come to the stage. As I call your names. गुलाम मुर्तजा, मारिया बशीर, खलील एहसान, अब्दुल अजीज, खुरम मुश्ताक, जजीला तिरमजी, महमूद अहमद, अफाक हुसैन, दिलअवेज मकबूल, आतिका सफ्तर, अनम तनवीर and Zainab Abdul Raza. The graduates of Master of Philosophy in English Linguistics, please come forward as I call your names. The graduates of Master of Philosophy in English Linguistics, please come forward as I call your names. Humaira Liaquat, Azhar Ahmed, Mehwish Iqbal, आपका क्या नाम है आपका? ठीक है। साहिबजादा वसीम इकबाल, मोहम्मद वकार टीपू, मोहम्मद साकिब सनाउल्लाह, हैदर अली, अलीना खान, मुबर्रा रसूल and Adnan Hussain. Now I request the graduates of Master of Arts in English to come forward and receive your degrees. Now I request the graduates of Master of Arts in English to come forward and receive your degrees. Zahir Ullah, Master of Arts in English students, Zahir Ullah, Abid Bahawal, Shanaz Zulfikar, Hafiza Maimuna, Abida, Aruj Fatima Yunus, Rigza Zainab. And finally, I request the passing out students of Bachelor of Studies in English to come forward and receive your degrees. आपका नाम? Now I request the passing out students of Bachelor of Studies in English to come forward and receive your degrees. Maria Mansha. आपका नाम? आयशा मैम, मारिया से आगे होगा, आगे. आयशा, जिशान अली, फरीहा फातिमा, सलमा शहजादी, अब्दुल रशीद, आयशा अल्ताफ, अनीला अल्ताफ, and Kiran Manzoor. Thank you, Dr. Parveen and Professor Sultan Niazi.